Hello and welcome to A-Lee Planning. My name is Ashley, and today I want to review with you my new Christmas planner. So when you open the planner, you will come to my index page. I'm going to review each section with you. There's about 11 dividers in total. So the first section is the Christmas budget, and I have 2 pages for Christmas savings. One is pre-filled. You'll save $50 every week for 20 weeks to get $1,000. And then I have a blank one where you can do any amount of your choice. On the next page, we have the Christmas budget. You'll set your budget amount and then you can break it down from there how you want for your Christmas budget. And then here on the last page of the Christmas budget, you can write down any expenses related to Christmas here. Right, for the next section is gifts. So this one, on the left side, you will put the person's name, like your child. So for here, I may put for number 1, I will put Ashley, and number 2, I will put Aaliyah, and then I'll write down what they would like for Christmas by clicking for number 1. I'll put their name here again, their clothes size, shoe size, and the things that they're requesting. And then also you can, on the right hand side, you can put a picture of what they're actually asking for as well. And there's 10 pages just for that. And each section has its own icon up here in the left hand side. If you click it, it will take you back to the beginning of whatever section. So also in the gift section, we have more gift lists, one for family and maybe teachers, stocking stuffer ideas, Black Friday sale and Cyber Monday sale. So if you have an item that you're keeping your eye on that's going on sale, you can write that down here and how much it will cost, and if you have to go in store or online to get it. One of my favorite sections in this whole entire planner is the gift wrapping checklist. I feel every year me and my husband has 4 daughters, and it seems like we always run out of gift wrapping paper. So to have this checklist, I feel like I'll be better prepared this year in having enough items for gift wrapping. But I've already started a list here for you. You don't have to use it. You can remove this section if you want to, or remove this page. Or you can just add to it as well for your gift wrapping needs. And the next page is the DIY craft project. I really enjoy crafting, so I tried to make this planner really design it for myself how I will like it, and I'm just hoping that it will help other families as well. But right here you can write like the project's name and then put the materials that you'll need and the project steps and the DIY pictures. I just really like doing DIYs. I feel like certain crafts, when you give them to to other people around the holidays or birthdays, it's just something from the heart. You took time to make them something, but you don't have to, so you can always just delete this page as well. So the next section is home decor. So you have indoor decor inventory, and we have an outdoor decor inventory. So here you can just like my family, we have this items in our attic, and we have things in our hallway closet full of Christmas things. So it will help me this year, and really any year, if I go through it and just see what I have, and I can write that down, and then I can see what what do I need now, and go from there into buying, so I won't make sure I'm overbuying on things. And the same thing for the Christmas tree decor. You can write down any ornaments that you may want or lights. And then you can, over here, you could put Christmas trees ideas. If you want like a pink tree, or if there's some type of color scheme that you want to do for Christmas this year, you can put that here. And then we have room decorating planning. You can put ideas for how you want to decorate your living room, or your dining room, or anything that you may choose. And then we just have note pages. So the next section is family photos. So here you're just planning out for your Christmas photos or for your Christmas cards here. And you can write the budgeted amount, the location where you're going to take the pictures, the date and time, who your photographer would be, any ideas that you may have for far as like backgrounds or your coordination of outfits for the entire family. You can write that information down here. On the left hand side, we have the to-do list, so that could be for that particular day, for your family photo day, or your to-do list up to that point, the things that you need to get done. For the family photo day, I broke down the whole day from starting around 6 a.m. all the way to 9 p.m. Anything important that you feel like you need to write down to remember for that day. And then we have important times. What time does the whole family need to be up? What time do they need to be ready? And what time do they need to be on set to take the pictures? And you put that information here. And then I made room for where you could put your family's photos after they're, completed, once you get your proofs. And then next, if you want to send out any holiday greeting cards or family photo cards, you can write the names and addresses here, and then mark them off once you have them mailed. Next section is November. So here it's undated. It's meant for you to use in 2021 or 2022, whenever you feel like it. It's the purpose of keeping it undated. With this particular planner, you will also receive digital stickers, so we'll have some type of numbers with it as well that you can add in here. But here on the left side, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that stands for week 1, week 2, week 3, so on. So if you wanted to click week 5, and you could plan for that week for the month of November here, and you could just put the dates in the circles. So next is similar to like the family photos. You have your to-do list all the way up for Thanksgiving Day schedule. And then I have a Thanksgiving menu here, and I purposely put the grocery shopping list. I do this for my regular planning, for meal planning throughout the year. I put the meals that I want to make on the menu, and then once I'm done with that, then I write down what the things that I need in order to, make those items on my grocery shopping list, so I don't have to keep flipping back and forth. Next is December, and it's same as November. It's undated. It has the week 1 through week 5 that you can click on. And then here we have a Christmas bucket list, things you want to do with your family for Christmas this year or for the holiday season. And then you have a Christmas entertainment and activity section. Christmas movies list. If you're like me, you might be into like the Hallmark and just watching your old favorite Christmas movies. You can write them down here, and then maybe if you want to do 25 days of watching Christmas movies, you can write that on the calendar as well. to help you keep track. And then we have declutter and donations. I added this here again for my family. I designed this with myself in mind. We're trying to get our kids into the habit of, to declutter and donate, to help other families. So we try to do this really a few weeks before Christmas, and to also make room for things that they don't need anymore. So, we have your decluttering schedule here, and then you can write what you would like to donate on the other side. Next is the food menu. So we have a Christmas party planner section. You can write down your ideas, decorations, your food menu, grocery shopping list, the people that you would like to invite, your guest list. You can also put if they RSVP'd and if you sent the invite or not. And then you have your shopping list. And here you can write down any recipes. And there's a couple pages for that. And for all these pages, you can also duplicate, like if you needed another shopping list for something separate, you can always do that as well. Then we have cleaning list, cleaning schedules, and that was it for the food menu. Next we have travel. So this is good for any holiday traveling, for like Thanksgiving or Christmas. You'll put your trip details here, when you plan to leave and when you plan to return. If you have any flight information, you could put that here. Your hotel information goes on the right. And then you have your trip overview, the things you want to do, things to do, and things you want to buy. And then you can have your holiday bucket list of things you want to, more of a detailed view of things you want to do on that trip. And it's the packing list. There's 6 of us in our family, so it's very important that we have this type of page when we do travel, so I could just make sure that everyone has what they need for the trip. And you can always feel free to duplicate this page as many times as you need. Then we have the travel budget planner. You can write your budgeted amount, how much you want to spend or don't want to overspend for the trip here. And if you have time to save, you can do you can write down the savings amount that you want to save for your trip, and you'll write that down, and then you'll just divide it by the number of boxes, and then you'll shade in as you go until you complete that savings goal. And similar to November and December, you have a weekly overview where you can plan out your week or plan out any activities on these for while you're traveling up to your travel date, or while you're on vacation. You can write that information down here. And any notes that you may want to add, you can add it on these back pages. Our next page is Christmas Eve. So you have your Christmas Eve schedule. You can make it very detailed if you want. We have matching family pajamas, another one of my favorites. You can write the color ideas if you want to do like plaid colors, or if you just want to do red, or you can write that information down here. You can write down everyone's sizes, the shirt and pants size, and any ideas that you may have seen. You can put that on the right side. And here you can write your Christmas Eve traditions and cooking schedule. I tend to, if I have to make anything for Christmas dinner, if there's a way that I can prep, I like to go ahead and do some things on Christmas Eve to get that done. So that's what that cooking schedule is for. Christmas Eve box. if you're into that. It's basically just getting a box and you just put like little items in there for the kids. You could put pajamas, a blanket, or treats, like something small, something that they can open on Christmas Eve. And so you can write those ideas there and supplies needed. And then if you want to put a picture of other ideas that you had, or just a final picture of your own Christmas Eve box, you can put that in the on the right side as well. And I'm almost done here. We have the Christmas Day, and you can plan out your day for Christmas Day here. And then you can write your Christmas dinner menu or Christmas lunch menu here. And then you put your memories. You can put pictures here, or you can write down your favorite memories here. Then I have a reflections page. What was your favorite Christmas Eve moment? What was your favorite Christmas Day moment? What are you grateful for this year? And what are your hopes for next year? And then the last one is just notes. And it's just blank pages. So I hope you enjoyed this video or the review of this Christmas planner. It will be available on my page, aleplanning.com, or in my Etsy shop, which is also Ale Planning as well. I just want to thank you for your time. I was a little nervous, so I'm sorry if I was being long-winded and shaking, but my first voiceover doing the video, so I hope you enjoyed and have a great day.